Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and localize more security settings. However, be aware that I'm talking about security settings, not the privacy settings. So don't mix both of those options. Just tap on more security settings. And here we have to scroll down a little bit to find this credential storage section. Clear credentials option is the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.